crafty friends, I am coming in with another guest design team for DIY Artbin, and the metal cutting die that I'm using from his store today is this adorable little hen and her chicks, okay? And it comes with these little eggs. They can be Easter eggs. I mean, that's what they're supposed to be, but I decided to do something a little bit different, and I hope you all love it. So here's the little Easter eggs, and then here's the little decorations that you can cut out with your colored paper to go on top of the Easter eggs. I'm sorry, hold on. Sorry. Then we have our little Easter egg basket. Or you could just use it as a basket. Doesn't matter. Don't have to put the eggs in there. I did. And then you have the little feathers for the top of the hen's head. And then also here are your eyes. You have like 4 different eyes here. You also have 3 different feet for the baby chicks and the larger feet for the big chick. And then here's this little swirly Q that goes right here on the basket. And then of course you have your little beaks for all of them. Okay, so this die is so super cute and it's so versatile. You don't have to use it for just Easter. Okay, so let me show you what I made. So I am horrible about sending out birthday cards on time, and so I mean, as a matter of fact, I've had my daughter's graduation invitations for, I don't know, about a month, and I haven't sent them out yet. So I got to go do that really quickly. But anyway, let me show you the card that I made. This is so fun. It says, "Oh, Cluck, I forgot your birthday," and it says happy belated birthday. Now, I do have a free cutting file for this for you that will be available in my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers, as well as the Oh Cluck. Okay, so all you have to do is put this into your Cricut, and I think I did mine. In fact, I'll show you the sizes. Let me see if I can find it really quick. I'm sorry, I'm looking on my computer while we're chit-chatting. You know what? I will just put it at the end so you can see the measurements. But I believe it was like 3.5 inches wide, and then I let it go ahead and set the height for it, and it worked out perfectly. And here are the 3 little chicks. They're so adorable. And I also used some pens that I got from Monica's shop. I know it's in my Oh Hoo Hoo bag, but I'm trying to keep all my pens together. Is it in this one? Hold on, let me look at my, no, it's not. It's going to be in my other one. My bad. Okay, maybe it's not. What am I losing my mind? These are not. Oh, they are the sketch markers. Okay, so I used this one, Oatmeal, BR13. So I will also list Monica's shop down below. It's Pear Tree Treasure. She's located in Canada, but she does ship to the United States, and she will give you shipping or U.S. shipping prices. So anyway, this is a sketch marker brush. So again, you have your pointed end and then your flat end, right? Or angled flat end. And again, these are sketch markers. This one is B as in Bob, R as in Roy 13, and this one is Oatmeal. And then I also used the BR15 Ivory Cream. And these are alcohol markers, and I absolutely love these. I also have BR12 Ginger, so in case you're interested in getting these. I did not set my printer to print anything. That is crazy. Okay, so I have a ghost in my house. Oh well, anyway. So let me just put that away real quick. So just so you know, again, those are sketch markers. And I really do like them a lot. So I definitely am going to be buying more of those. Okay, sorry. Let me get this out of the way. All right. So as you can see, I went ahead and I put the little eggs under the chick's wings. I went ahead and emphasized, oh, I do forget. I did use one of the Ohuhu markers, and it was the mustard yellow, okay? So what I did was outlined the little eye and then just a little bit on their wings, okay? Just to kind of emphasize those little speckled marks. And then I kind of did the same thing over here, but that was with the oatmeal. Again, I did color in the eye with a brown color. I believe that was the ginger color. And then I went ahead and used the black Ohuhu marker for, basically drawing on his eyeball. But I think it turned out super cute. I absolutely love the paper. Here we have his little eyes on here. Of course, you could use those little tiny, small, black flat back beads. They're super cute. I have some, but I don't know what I did with them. But again, I just put the little basket here on her wing, and I just think it turned out so cute. But it says, "Oh, Cluck, I forgot your birthday. Happy belated birthday." So I thought that was really fun, coming up with something different other than Easter for the die. So anyway, I mean, I can't wait to see what you all create. Guys, don't forget to check out DIY Artbin store as well as Monica's store. And I'm going to put an Amazon link down below to this paper if they still have it in stock, because I am in love. This is Farm to Table by Stephen Duncan. And this one was actually created in 2020. But I absolutely love, love, love this. Look at the amazing colors in here. It's so retro vintage. This is right up my alley, guys, because you know I love retro vintage. But anyway, again, here's the stickers on the back. I'll just let you all take a look at that real quick. Love, love this. Just love the rooster and everything. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Sorry this took me a few days to put out. I have just had one heck of a week. I had a flat tire. It took 4 hours for the guy to come out and change the spare tire. Guys, look, it's doing it again. What is this thing doing? It's possessed. Okay, I think I'm going to pull the paper out of it. I'm so sorry. Okay, because I don't know what's going on. Sorry, I thought I was going to try to print something again. Guys, I tell you what. Okay, so needless to say, the next day I spent 4 hours at the dealership having them put on new tires. I got an alignment and I got new front brakes. So hopefully I won't have to put any more money into this vehicle. So I'll be creating this weekend, which normally I don't do any designing on the weekends, but I thought, okay, let me catch up because I'm so behind. So hopefully I'll have another video for you tomorrow. So again, I will be seeing you all very soon with another project. And let me show you. Let me see which die I'm going to use, because this one is so stinking cute. In case you visit his shop, this one would be another fun one. You have like this poodle, and it is so cute. Guys, just wait. You'll see. But I think the next one I'm going to work on is just a fun hello spring card. And this one has, you know, a super cute little sun. It reminds me of Doodlebug. Okay, it has a little cloud. You have a ladybug. You have I think it's a caterpillar maybe. You have some flowers, some leaves. So I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a sunflower with flowers. Maybe I will definitely look at that. It looks like this one looks like a tulip. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all again tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.